Alright, so today we'll be working on Unit 2 Lab. So for the first problem, all we need to do is to change the return string to okay. So just move this to do here and just type in okay, run it, and it should be good. And then so next for the second problem for name arguments, we need to make a function that return a list in a JSON format, which is this array of A, B, and C right here. And so what we need to do is add the parameters prefix and postfix. So what we can do here is type in prefix to open bracket and postfix is equal to a closing bracket, and then run it, and there we go. And then so for this default arguments problem, what we need to do is basically fix these several overloading functions in Java, so it can just have this one function up here in Kotlin. So what we can do is set default values for both number and to uppercase. So what we can do here is set into number is 42 and to uppercase will be false. Let's hit run, and there we go. And now for the next one, what we need to do is simply just change trim indent to trim margin. It needs to take in this sharp key here as a prefix. So what we can do is here is just let me go back actually. Type in trim margin. Taking that, run it, and we're good. And then so another string manipulation. So we need to get the following pattern match the date in the format 1306-1992, 2 digits, 1 dot, 2 digits, a dot, and then 4 digits. And then we need to use the month variable to write the pattern this way. So what we can do here is, of course, take this out. We're going to copy, actually no, we're going to have the triple triple comment line. And then we can just copy this. And then take out this middle argument here. How we can use the month variable here is just this operator, and then run it, and then we're good. And now for the client, this problem is a little bit tricky. We need to rewrite the following Java codes that only has one if expression. So first, what we want to do is have say val email, and then val email is client, and then make personal info nullable, and then make nothing. And then make an email nullable. Then we'll say if email, sorry about that. And if we say if email is not null and message is not null, notice return mailer send message. I'll take an email and then message. Let's run it. And it looks good. Now for the next one, we need to specify a nothing return type for fail within wrong age. So all we have to do here is come up to this function and then make its return type to be nothing. Run it. We're good. And finally, for the lambdas problem, all we have to then we have to pass lambda to any function and check if the collection contains an even number. So all we have to do here is type in it and just check for if the number is even. Run it, and then we're good. And that is it.